Hi, this is Kim Nightingale, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial for you on the Google Slides add-on called Pear Deck. You want to start by going to peardeck.com. You're going to create an account. You're going to create a teacher account, so select teacher. From there, you're going to authorize with Google. After that, you're going to choose a Google account that you want Pear Deck to have access to. Once you've done that, you're going to enter your postal code and school. Click Connect to My School, and you are all signed up for a Pear Deck account. Now, Pear Deck has different pricing. You can see the prices on the screen. Please note that for the first 30 days, you will be given access to the premium level as part of your free trial. Next, the technical requirements for Pear Deck. Anytime you are using Pear Deck with your students, both you and your students will need Wi-Fi available. Next, Pear Deck is actually available both on the Android and Apple operating systems. In order to use Pear Deck, you take a set of Google Slides and you create a Pear Deck with them. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Your students, when they're ready to access those slides, will need to go to peardeck.com/join and enter the code. You can see the code here. One of the nice things about Pear Deck is they actually make the code a little bit funny by making a sentence out of it. Now, let's take a look at how to create slides with Pear Deck. I have a set of slides here. I'm going to go to add-ons. I would click on Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on and open Pear Deck add-on. If you don't have that available, you can click on Get Add-ons. And you can install Pear Deck as an add-on. Right there it is. Click there, it'll install it. Okay, let's look at the Pear Deck options. Over here, I have my Pear Deck menu up. So for my students, I can add questions where they answer with text, multiple choice, they answer with a number. I can link directly to a website I want them to go to. I can allow them to draw on the slides, or I can make a draggable option for the slides. Currently, this slide, I have made a multiple choice option. I clicked up here on multiple choice. You can tell it's a multiple choice option by the icon at the bottom of the slide. This slide happens to be a text option where the students can actually write an answer for me. And finally, this slide I've used and made it a draw option. Let's see what this looks like from the student perspective. So currently, this is what the students would see for my multiple choice option. They click on one of the choices and go to the next slide. Here, you can see that they have a box where they place their text answer or type their text answer. And finally, this is what their screen looks like when they're ready to draw on the screen. Now, as a teacher, when I am ready to start my lesson, I'm going to go over here. Once I'm done with all my slides, I'm going to click Start Lesson. And Pear Deck is actually going to make this set of Google Slides into a Pear Deck. Now, I have two options. I can go with a student-paced activity, which is really nice and works well if you want students to be able to move at their own pace through certain material. Or I can do instructor-paced. I'm going to pick instructor-paced. While Pear Deck generates the code, let's talk about some of the uses for Pear Deck. I feel like Pear Deck can be used at any grade level with any subject area because you can customize the slides to your curriculum and your students' level. Now, I also feel like Pear Deck lends itself very well to formative assessment, checking for understanding, and guided practice. Because you as the teacher can actually select what you want the students to investigate, and you can watch what they're investigating live. You can see that my code is currently up here in the upper right-hand corner. If I go down here to the menu, I have many different options, which I'll give you the chance to check out when you check out Pear Deck, so that I can watch what the students are doing in my class live. I think it lends itself really well to the remote learning environment. I think it would work really well there. I think if we look at Bloom's taxonomy, Pear Deck really matches well with the lower three levels of remember, understand, and apply. And if we look at the SAMR model, I think that the Pear Deck aligns really well with substitution and augmentation. I hope you enjoy trying out Pear Deck. Have a great day.